First, depressurize the system by closing the upstream and downstream valves. Open the main drainage valve and the command filter drainage valve to release any trapped water. Next, verify that the filter is depressurized by using your controller app or an external pressure gauge if exists. Close the valves after all pressure has been released. Open the two clamp nuts and release the nuts until they can move freely. There is no need to release them completely. Remove the clamp by releasing the tie bar from its socket and move it upwards using the opposite side as a hinge. Remove the upper and the lower clamps while supporting the cover with your hand. Remove the filter cover. Release the 2-inch spine using the appropriate socket by turning it counterclockwise. Continue releasing the 2-inch spine adapter. Insert the 4-inch spine and lock it into place by turning it clockwise, then tighten. Position the 4-inch cover in place. While supporting the cover with your hand, position the upper clamp, making sure the nuts are facing downwards. Attach the bottom clamp to the upper clamp and tighten both nuts. Next, pressurize the system by opening the downstream and upstream valve and check for any leaks. Finally, initiate a manual flush procedure.